Welcome to Smart Alim channel. Today with Miss Susie, we are going to learn about what? Can you guess? Yeah, we will learn about have fingers count. Yeah, have fingers count. This is fingers. Do what I do, kids. Okay, repeat after me, yeah. This is my fingers. This is my fingers. Fingers, fingers, fingers. I have fingers. You have fingers. Let's count our fingers together. One finger. Repeat after me. One finger. I have one finger. Two fingers. I have two fingers. I have two fingers. Three fingers. I have three fingers. Once more. I have three fingers. Four fingers. I have four fingers. I have four fingers. Five fingers. I have five fingers. I have five fingers. I have one finger. I have two fingers. I have three fingers. I have four fingers. I have five fingers. Now we are counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fingers. For the next, we still have these fingers. We are going to learn for next meeting. Bye!